Hey, it's your friendly neighborhood, Lex. Sure, that's who I am. So this is a new thing that I will be doing here on my channel called Palette A to Z. I did an inventory of all of the eyeshadow palettes that I have in my collection, and it's a problem. I have like 45 palettes. I'm one person. I have two eyes. Why do I have 45 palettes? So what I'm gonna do as a way to like, there's a hair, as a way to like help me declutter, because some of these palettes I'm like, did I even use this? Like, when did I get this? And some of them I like know are tried and true, but to help me better declutter, I'm going to start this series, Palette A to Z, where I go through my palettes alphabetically by the name of the palette and try it and either decide if I want to keep it or if it's time for it to go. I decided to do it by the name of the palette and not by the brand, because otherwise the next like 7 videos would be Anastasia palettes and we would all be tired of Anastasia palettes. I'm already tired of Anastasia palettes with the frickin' Norvina thing. Just, I didn't want to do that. So instead it's by the name of the palette itself. So, first palette that I have on my eyes today is the Morphe 35P, Plum Pleasers 35P. So if you want to see how I did this look, eyes, and how this performed and whether or not it's gonna stay, then keep watching. Okay, base done, brows done, where's my palette? Eyes primed, here's the palette. Oh, hello, Morphe with all my fingerprints on it. I forgot that this didn't have a mirror, so I opened it to like do my makeup, and then I was like, alright, this doesn't have a mirror, so I've been using my Hourglass blush palette as as my mirror. Also, stupid plastic. Okay, so everything about this palette besides the colors kills me. The colors are beautiful. I love me some purples. That's my favorite color. But there's no mirror, so I couldn't be able to just travel with this and not like make sure I need another mirror. Like, why? To keep the cost down? How much does a mirror really cost for you to put it? No. You're being cheap. So that's that. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I think I want to do... I have no idea. I have no idea what I want to do. Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start with this color here, which is, oh god, 1, 2, 3 over, 2 down, Pastel. I'm gonna put I'm not gonna keep doing that. I'm gonna put the colors in the bottom in the order that I use them, but because I'm not gonna keep doing that. So I'm gonna use, wait, do I want to do that? Yeah. I want to do like just a really simple like kind of smoky eye with this. Like traditional smoky eye. So I'm going to take this and put it in my crease. This color does not look like how it does in the pan. I thought it would be lighter, I guess. Now I don't know what to do because I thought that would be lighter. I'm going to go with this one. I'm having such a hard time with these colors. This one. And I'm going to put this like deeper in my crease. And that just turned into mud. Cool! I've made mud. I'm just taking a clean brush and just kind of, I don't know, just smushing it all around basically. I don't really know what's happening here. This is not what I was envisioning. I'm going to take this shimmery color down here, and I keep holding that palette as if I can use the mirror in there, and I can't. I'm just going to put this everywhere. And then just blend this edge. Yeah, I mean that, like, that color's fine. I'm gonna go back to that first crease color shade that I used, since it was darker than I thought it was anyways, and put that on my lower lash line. Pick it up, put it down, pick it up, put it down, pick this up. Oh yeah. And then I'm just, oopsie. Look at that. Just blend. I don't want to blend out with another color. I'm just going to blend this. I'm going to take this light shimmery color. It's like the only light shimmery color in here, unless you want a matte white, which I don't. And I'm going to put this, use my mirror again, brow bone. And it's like way too yellowy for this color scheme. What side did I just pick this up? And inner corner. So that's the eyeshadow done. I'm gonna put black liner in my tie line and waterline. Probably a little line of liner just on my lash line. Curl my lashes, apply mascara, and then I'll be back. Okay, here are the eyes done. I messed up my liner on this side a little bit. I really don't care because I'm not going anywhere. But yeah, these are the eyes done with the 35P from Morphe. Is that even what it's called? I think so. Yeah, so I'm going to finish off the rest of my face and then we'll come back for some thoughts. Okay, rest of the makeup is on. This will be next video. So, let's talk about this palette. I'm going to get rid of this. There's too many cons and not enough pros. Here are the pros. It has purple and I love purple. Here are the cons. There's no mirror. I have to keep this stupid plastic sheet in there. I'm having a really hard time with this like color scheme that they're doing because like, try not to blind you. Like this side is so purple, like here, and then you get like brown and like gray, and then what are these? What is this one for? Like, I just feel like they just kind of threw colors in here and there wasn't too much of a thought process of like why. It was more like, yeah, purple and brown go together, and gray, like put them all in there. That's fine. There's only that yellowy highlight color unless you want to highlight with a purple. I don't want to do that. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. It's gone. It's gone. Goodbye. Rest in peace, Morphe 35P. I don't know, like, I'm not disappointed because it's Morphe. Like when I like started planning this like journey of going through my eyeshadows like this, I'm like, I'm probably gonna get rid of that Morphe palette, and like using it again, like even this, I used all of like 4 colors and it just turned into a mess. So that's that. Morphe 35P decluttered. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, next video will be the rest of this face. If you want to see it, it will be in the next video. What am I doing? Yeah, so I will see you guys again soon. Bye.